Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about an excellent Azure PowerShell command, that is Set-AzureADaPplication. So this is a very powerful command, okay, that can help you to update any of your Azure Active Directory application. So if you want to change the application display name or some other properties, you can use this PowerShell command to change that immediately. Okay, so as part of this video tutorial, we are going to discuss the syntax and usage of the Set-AzureADaPplication PowerShell command. Okay, along with that, an example on how to use this particular command, right? So let's start with a demo. So to do that, what I will do is I will run this PowerShell ISE with run as administrator mode. Okay. Okay, so let's copy this command, set Azure AD application. Okay, so basically before this command, okay, what we will do is we'll retrieve one particular Azure AD application from my Azure Active Directory. Okay, because to execute this particular command, we need one object ID. That means we need a object ID of a specific application where we are going to change the display name. So my intention is we will run the get Azure AD application command first to get the list of Azure AD application. Okay, then from that we will decide from which one and for which one we are going to change the display name, right? So what we'll do is, let me copy this command. So this is the object ID of one particular Azure AD application of mine. Okay, so what we are trying to tell is we are trying to retrieve that particular application, because if I run only get Azure AD application, it will give me a very lengthy output with all these applications, right? So to make it easy, I will just retrieve one particular Azure AD application and we will check the display name. We will try to modify that. Again, we will rerun this command to retrieve that and check whether it is changed the display name or not. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, what it is telling is we need to execute the connect Azure AD PowerShell command, right? So remember that if you are getting this error, what you need to do is you just need to execute this command along with the tenant ID parameter. Remember, along with the tenant ID parameter, right? So replace the tenant ID of yours in this place. Okay, so for this particular command get Azure AD application, I have made a separate video tutorial also. That link I'll put it on this video or description link. Okay, so you can take that from there, okay, if you want to go through this particular command. Okay, let me execute this. Let me enter the credentials and let's enter the password. Click on sign in. So we got this output, that particular application. Okay, so you can able to see here the display name is tsinfo-app. Okay, let's check here. tsinfo-app is the display name, and for that the object ID is this one. Okay, so our intention here is using the Set-AzureADaPplication command, we'll change this display name of this particular object ID, right? So we will change the display name from tsinfo-app to my tsinfo-app. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, here is that command, Set-AzureADaPplication. What we will do here is we will specify this is the syntax. Okay, remember this is the syntax to execute this particular command, right? So we will take this object ID. This object ID will take and we'll put it here. And then what we are trying to change is we are trying to change the display name, right? So we will put the new display name over here, my tsinfo-app, right? So this is the new display name. Earlier it was tsinfo. Remember, earlier it was tsinfo, right? As you can see it here. Right? So let's execute this command. Okay, so you can able to see it. The command has been executed successfully. There is no issue, no error, right? That means our display name of this particular Azure AD application has been changed successfully. Okay, and to cross check that, what we will do is let's rerun this particular command. Okay, so let me enter the credentials. Let me enter the password. Click on sign in. We got the output. You can see it that the display name has been changed successfully. Okay, my tsinfo is the display name now, and this is the object ID, right? Whatever we have used here, correct? So that means it has been changed successfully, right? So this is what for today. I thought to show you, how to use this Set-AzureADaPplication command. Okay, so this is the way you can use this command. Today I thought to show you how to use this Set-AzureADaPplication PowerShell command. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you will get lots of free videos on different Azure articles as well as different PowerShell commands, Azure PowerShell commands that might be helpful, when you are getting that type of requirement, right? So thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.